Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only way you can download any video on YouTube legitimately. Okay, let's launch the YouTube app and scroll through the feed and look what video we can or we won't download. Okay, let's download this video over here from Tucker Carlson. Okay, you want to click on the three dots under the video itself. Then you want to click on the option number 4, which is download video. When you click on this, YouTube will allow you to download the video in two quality options, 720 and 360. YouTube also is going to give you the first month a free trial of the YouTube Premium, so you will be able to use the function in the future and keep downloading. You need to have the subscription for YouTube Premium, and this will also allow you to watch YouTube videos without watching ads. Again guys, this is not TikTok or Instagram. Here you cannot simply copy the link and go to third-party site, paste it and download it. Here things look very different simply because there is a creator copyright issues, there is a TikTok copyright issues, and this is why this is the only legitimate way for you to be able to download videos from the TikTok platform. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.